Welcome to Torker. Today I'm back with Nate. You may remember him from his diesel build, where I pretty much just talked crap the whole way through it, telling him how slow he was. He needed to speed up building it. Well, I wanted to give him a chance to redeem himself. So we have the new Alumimax Forks, which will be perfect to have a little race and see who is the better builder. I think I know who is, but I think we're going to have to wait and see.
I may or may not have been sandbagging.
Okay, so before we start, just wanted to take a quick look at the new Alumimax Forks. Clearly, they are a very mid-school reminiscent fork. You can see several of the mid-school style forks back behind us here. Thank you, Vanna White, for the nice showing. It was intentional that we did it a mid-school look because they are designed to look great on the diesel frames. So like Matt Hayden and Steve Veltman, they both rode Answer forks, Marzocchi forks whenever they were racing for us back in the mid-school era. You know, the diesel is a mid-school style frame, so we wanted to make a fork that would look great, like perfect in place with it.
And I think it will look awesome on it, but I think it's also going to look great on your MX29.
Yeah, I think so too. And that's also part of it. This isn't just a mid-school fork. It's really the ultimate upgrade. So there's a lot of carbon forks out there, a lot of different chromoly forks, but like this here, I think this is going to be the one that really sets your 26 or 29 inch builds apart. Doesn't even have to be Torker. It could be an SE, it can be a Haro, it can be GT, any of that. I think these will look right at home on that. And kind of with the big bike customizability, you know, the caps here, we have the nice bling of gold. The forks do come with gold, just to kind of go with the Torker style. You know, Torker and gold, that's kind of
our thing.
But we will also have some that come in different colors. So like say you have a GT or something that your color is white and purple, and you want a little splash of the chrome and black, and you're like, man, that gold's not gonna look good on my purple bike. We will have purple coming very soon.
Yeah.
You just want something pretty standard. You want some black, you want some polished, whatever. We're going to have that on the site soon. So keep an eye out on that. But yeah, I think now it's really time that we start the race and prove who is the better builder here.
Or the biggest sandbagger.
You're clearly the biggest sandbagger, but I think that's just a normal riding.
You're probably right about that.
So do you have any questions?
No, I'm an adult.
All right. Well, with that said, let's build. See Nate going for the wheel first.
That's right.
Or I'm starting up high.
It's high road and low road.
I think he might be screwing up. He doesn't know right now. He just lost his leverage.
That's okay. You lost your pocket over there.
Oh, yeah. How you doing over there, Nate? I got the compression bolt out already.
Well, I got mine loose. That's cheating. You're a ratchet.
It's not my fault you didn't come prepared. That's part of knowing how to build.
Bars off. Fork and bearing.
Speed isn't everything. Don't mess up.
You can't throw me off, sir. Ha, I still had grease in mine from the build.
We will be checking your work.
It's not fair. I'll be fumbling. I even lined my cap up. Oh no. Calling in back up.
How's your spacing look?
Looks pretty good. Slammed on the bottom.
I'm gonna need a little bit more space on mine. Your bars straight?
Bars are straight.
I don't believe you. I don't believe they were straight the first time you built it.
Well, they may not have been, but I couldn't tell.
I think you're ahead of me right now.
Got one more. Ha!
Bars straight?
Bars are straight.
Get it right, we're gonna be checking each other's work.
Look at that. I got it right the first time.
Uh-oh. All right. So maybe you aren't as slow as I said you were.
Sandbagging. Always keep them guessing.
Let me finish mine up real quick. It's a little bit harder doing the axle rather than the...
While you're trying to catch up, I'll set my beautiful Torker fork back up against the wall here.
Gonna have to get off to do this one.
Whenever you're ready.
I know it. This is what I get for smack talking, huh?
That's what he gets. Now the whole world sees. Or I'm gonna have to have a seat.
Ah, ha ha.
20 inches is always faster anyway.
Yeah. All right. Sir, I think I owe you. I don't owe you anything. You got some free forks.
I did get a free fork. We'll call it a draw.
Yeah. So clearly you're not the slowest guy, but man, those forks look great on there.
Doesn't it though? Look at that. That goes so perfectly.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna have to add some gold. I like the gold.
Right?
I think I like the gold caps.
All right. So clearly it's not that hard to swap out the forks. This wasn't a tutorial on how to do it. I don't recommend racing while you're putting your bike together, but it's not that hard. It's very easy. Really more than just clowning on Nate. That was more the point, to be able to show you how fast and easy it really is to put the forks together. And I know I'm backpedaling now because Nate beat me and I talked myself up so much. But you know, I might have been sandbagging too.
We'll see.
Yeah,
it'll come up again someday, I'm sure.
We'll have to come up with another race. So if you have any ideas for races that we can do, go ahead and throw it down in the comments below. But yeah, other than that, I think now you see them on the completed builds. They are an awesome way to upgrade your ride. I think I'm going to continue on with this, maybe add a little bit more black onto this. You know, keep it fresh, keep it looking cool. So Nate, you got anything else?
Well, I mean, we did just put forks on our bikes and they look great. So I think at this point, all there is left to do is we should get out there and ride our bikes.
Yeah, let's get out there and ride.
Yeah.
I bet I'll beat you.
Oh, no, I'll run you down.
We'll be good.
Race is over, but I'm going to do some fine-tune adjustments. I think I put way too many spacers on here.
So you're saying you might have cheated?
Hey, they cheat a lot in NASCAR, so I get a pass.